It is the 7th of May, a beautiful Tuesday morning. We just milked the London market session open with the automation masters blue chip signals. This has been a beautiful entry on USA 30, which shot 75% to our money direction just a few minutes after executing the entry. You can see over there, we sold on a buy area. That's the power of the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, which is the one that's giving us the powerful signals that we're enjoying. We also had one on Euro JPY, AUD USD order. Short 50% to our money direction, which was 50% to take profit one in a matter of a few minutes. Oh, Euro JPY also made some good money, hitting both take profit one and headed through to take profit two in a matter of a few minutes. Champagne bottles popping, fire emojis, thumbs up. That's what we're talking about here at Automation Masters. We don't disappoint. These are very powerful signals that you don't want not to be a part of. Don't miss out on these powerful signals. Weekly subscription, 500 rands, 1000 rands, monthly subscription. Text me on WhatsApp. Check the number on the description in bio and let's go get it. Right now, we're looking at the USD JPY at 60% dip in profits. Fire emojis, champagne bottles popping. You know what I'm talking about. USA 30, 95% in take profit. And you can see over there, take profit one is successfully hit. Now we're off to TP2. How beautiful is that? Salute. That's what I'm talking about. A Euro JPY. Take profit 2 successfully hit. Introduced a third take profit 3. I'm talking about right now USD JPY also did the most. Over there USD JPY successfully hit take profit 1 and we were heading for take profit 2. Champagne bottles popping, fire emojis, 100% love emojis. It's getting crazy over here. It is Automation Masters blue chip signals, baby. It's the best or nothing. Gold, how can we forget gold? We took a beautiful one on gold and we had a sell stop order over there, which immediately took at that price level and shot 75% to our money direction. You know what I'm talking about. Champagne bottles, fire emojis. People are happy. Don't miss out on this beautiful fire signals. The morning session done and dusted. We're coming back for the New York Open. Join now. Don't miss out on these Automation Masters blue chip signals, baby. Let's go get it.